Ever wondered how to start a business with minimal upfront investments? Welcome to the world of dropshipping through Shopify. Now you might be thinking, what exactly is dropshipping? It's a retail model where the seller doesn't keep products in stock. Instead, when a product is sold, the seller purchases the item from a third party and has it shipped directly to the customer. This differs from traditional e-commerce where the seller maintains inventory and handles shipping. Now, let's talk about Shopify. It's a leading e-commerce platform that allows anyone to set up an online store and sell products. Setting up a Shopify store is a breeze. You simply choose a plan, customize your store to match your brand, and voila, you're ready to start selling. So, with dropshipping and Shopify, you can kickstart your online business with less risk and investment. That's a glimpse at the power of dropshipping and Shopify. Let's dive deeper. Finding the right niche and product is the cornerstone of a successful dropshipping business. But how do you find them? Well, it's a calculated process. Start with brainstorming. Consider your interests, passions, and the industries you're knowledgeable about. Next, take your ideas and use tools like Google Trends and Keyword Planner to assess market demand and competition. But we're not done yet. Now let's find the products to sell. Identifying trending and in-demand products can be tricky, but platforms like Oberlo, AliExpress, and Amazon bestsellers can provide a wealth of information. Look for products with high ratings and reviews. Finally, evaluate the product viability. Consider factors like product size, weight, price, and potential shipping issues. Will your chosen product be profitable after factoring in all costs? Remember, the goal isn't just to sell, but to make a profit. That's the secret to profitable niche and product research. Up next, we'll set up our Shopify store. Setting up a Shopify store is easier than you think. Ready to learn how? Let's start by customizing your store theme. Shopify provides a variety of themes, each designed to give your store a unique and appealing look. Choose one that aligns with your brand personality and products. Next, we'll set up the essential pages for your store. These include the home page, product pages, and contact page. Each page serves a unique purpose and contributes to the overall user experience. Now it's time to add products to your store. Uploading products to Shopify is straightforward. You simply need to fill in the product details, including title, description, and price, and upload appealing product images. However, the key to driving sales lies in writing compelling product descriptions. Your product descriptions should be informative yet enticing, highlighting the benefits and features of your product in a way that resonates with your target customers. And voila, your Shopify store is ready. But we're not done yet. Let's explore some essential Shopify apps and tools. The right tools can take your Shopify store to the next level. Curious to know what they are? Let's dive in. Leveraging the power of apps is a game changer for your Shopify store. Apps for marketing and sales can automate processes and boost your store's visibility. Think email marketing apps, SEO optimizers, and social media integrations. But what about the customer's journey after the purchase? That's where order fulfillment and customer service tools come in. They ensure a smooth experience from checkout to delivery, keeping your customers happy and coming back for more. Now, onto payment gateways. It's crucial to offer a variety of payment options to cater to all your customers' preferences. And don't forget about configuring your shipping options to ensure a seamless delivery process. With these tools and apps, running your Shopify store will be a breeze. Next, we venture into the world of Facebook advertising. Facebook advertising can skyrocket your business growth. Want to master it? Let's start with the basics. First, you'll need a Facebook business account. It's simple and free to set up. With this account, you'll have access to the Ads Manager, your command center for all things advertising. Navigating the Ads Manager might seem daunting at first, but with a little exploration, you'll get the hang of it. Here, you can create, manage, and track your ad campaigns all in one place. Now, let's talk about your target audience. Who are they? What are their interests? Facebook's powerful targeting features allow you to reach the people who are most likely to be interested in your products. Crafting effective ad copy is the final piece of the puzzle. Your ad copy should be compelling and speak directly to your target audience's needs and desires. Facebook advertising is no longer a mystery, right? Let's move on to launching your first ad campaign. Launching your first ad campaign might seem daunting. Fear not, we're here to guide you. Let's start by setting up your first campaign. In Facebook's Ads Manager, create a new campaign. Choose an objective that aligns with your business goals. This could be driving traffic to your Shopify store or increasing conversions. Now, how much should you spend on your campaign? Start with a small budget. This allows you to test the waters without risking too much. Allocate a daily or lifetime budget based on what you're comfortable spending. Remember, you can always adjust this later. So, what about bidding? In the beginning, automatic bidding is your friend. Facebook will optimize your bid amount to get the most results for your budget. As you become more comfortable, you can explore manual bidding and develop strategies that suit your needs. Congratulations on launching your first ad campaign. But how do you measure its success? Let's find out. Numbers don't lie. Ready to decode the story they tell about your business? This is where analytics come in. They provide us with key metrics like click-through rate, CTR, cost per click, CPC, and return on ad spend, ROAS. These numbers give us insights into how well our ads are performing. Are they grabbing attention? Are they cost-effective? Are they generating profits? But understanding these metrics is only half the battle. The real magic happens when we use this information to optimize our strategies. That brings us to the concept of split testing or A/B testing. This involves creating two versions of an ad and testing them against each other to see which one performs better. It's like a survival of the fittest for ads, where the strongest, most effective ad wins. By constantly testing and optimizing, we can ensure our strategies stay ahead of the curve, maximizing our success. That's how you turn data into decisions. Now let's discuss how to scale your dropshipping business. Scaling your business is the ultimate goal. But how do you do it effectively? Well, it's all about strategy and smart decision-making. To scale your dropshipping business, you might consider increasing your ad budgets. This can help you reach a wider audience and drive more traffic to your store. But remember, it's not just about spending more. It's about spending smartly and optimizing your campaigns for the best return on investment. Another way to scale is by expanding your product lines. Offering a wider variety of products can attract a broader customer base and increase your sales potential. But as your business grows, so do your tasks. That's where automation comes in. Tools can automate processes like inventory management and order fulfillment, freeing up your time to focus on other areas. And don't forget about outsourcing. Hiring freelancers or agencies to handle tasks like customer service or content creation can save you time and help your business grow efficiently. That's how you take your business to new heights. Up next, we'll talk about customer service and order fulfillment. Excellent customer service and efficient order fulfillment are key to your business's success. Ready to master them? Let's start with customer service. The heart of any business lies in its relationship with its customers. Providing excellent customer support isn't just about resolving issues, it's about anticipating them. Be proactive, reach out to customers, and ensure they're having a smooth experience. Now what about returns and inquiries? They're an inevitable part of doing business. Handle them with grace and efficiency. Make the return process easy for your customers, and respond to their inquiries promptly and politely. Moving on to order fulfillment, this is where you make good on your promise to the customer. Develop a reliable process to ensure orders are shipped and delivered on time. Lastly, keep a close eye on your suppliers and order tracking. That's your lifeline to ensuring that products reach customers as promised. That's how you keep your customers happy and coming back for more. But what about the legal aspects? Let's cover them next. Running a business comes with certain legal responsibilities. Do you know what they are for dropshipping? Let's delve into the legal aspects of dropshipping. Just like any other business, dropshipping must adhere to certain laws and regulations. For instance, you have to respect consumer rights, which means providing clear and accurate product descriptions, adhering to advertising standards, and maintaining transparent pricing. Furthermore, dropshipping involves transactions that require compliance with refund and return policies. It's essential to have a comprehensive policy in place that protects both you and the customer. This includes detailing the process for returns, who pays for return shipping, and under what conditions a refund will be given. Finally, staying compliant with Shopify policies is crucial. Shopify has specific rules regarding what can be sold through their platform, how transactions should be handled, and how customer data is managed. It's important to familiarize yourself with these policies to avoid any potential issues. Now that you're aware of your legal responsibilities, let's look at some advanced strategies and future trends. Ready to take your dropshipping business to the next level? Let's explore some advanced strategies and future trends. First, retargeting strategies. This is a powerful approach that allows you to re-engage customers who have shown an interest in your products but didn't make a purchase. By staying top of mind, you increase the chances of converting these potential customers. Next, let's delve into influencer marketing for dropshipping. Utilizing influencers in your niche can significantly amplify your reach and boost your sales. It's all about leveraging their audience to increase your brand's visibility. Now let's look ahead. In 2024 and beyond, expect artificial intelligence to play a bigger role in e-commerce. AI can help predict buying behavior, automate customer service, and improve logistics. It's essential to stay ahead of these trends and adapt swiftly to changes in the e-commerce landscape. The future of dropshipping looks promising, doesn't it? Let's wrap up with a recap and next steps. We've covered a lot of ground today. Ready for a quick recap and the next steps? We embarked on a comprehensive journey through the world of dropshipping with Shopify, from the basic concepts to advanced strategies. We explored niche and product research, set up a Shopify store, and learned about essential apps and tools. We even delved into Facebook advertising, launching a campaign, analytics, and optimization. We also discussed scaling a dropshipping business, customer service, order fulfillment, legal aspects, and future trends. The knowledge is vast, but remember, it's not just about learning, it's about doing. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start building your Shopify store, select your niche, research your products, and launch that first ad campaign. And remember, you're not alone on this journey. We encourage questions, engagement, and building a supportive community of like-minded e-commerce enthusiasts. That's it for this Shopify dropshipping course. Remember, the key to success is action, so start your dropshipping journey today.